This tool will make your Windows 11 faster and nicer than ever. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So we are talking about Rectify 11 installer. Rectify 11 is a project that promises better scaling with consistent controls, a better user interface with reworked icons and enhanced context menus. It is a truly consistent dark mode, enhanced performance, Windows gadgets for those who are missing the Windows Vista era, and an overall better experience than vanilla Windows 11. To get this tool on your Windows, you have to search for Rectify 11 installer and you will land to this GitHub. Now to download and install it, you have to tap on the releases section, which is on the right side. Here you can see the new features released by this installer. Now to install it on your device, you just have to tap on .exe file, and just by that you have installed it successfully on your Windows 11. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.